Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Metal Sculptor Kevin Stone, and it's been a while since I've made a video for YouTube. And Michelle and I have been busting ass in the shop, and we wanted to kind of give you guys an update where we're at. We have a little project that we created using AI. So this little project looks little on the floor, but it's actually going to be almost 11 feet tall when we're done. And it's kind of an outdoor Las Vegas themed desert sculpture. We're just going to do a rusted patina on it. It'll have 4 legs. It goes up, like 11 feet. So it's kind of a fun project. We'll definitely be posting videos and maybe some pictures and maybe some videos on this when we get it done. We're hoping to just sell it locally. It's a really cool desert project. If it doesn't sell, it'll look good in our yard. So something fun to do. This is the flower and the butterfly and the hummingbird. So this is one of the projects that's going to the Iconic collection. It's a gallery in Miami. It's an amazing gallery full of art and supercars, and this project isn't little. So I don't know if the video shows to scale, but I'll stand underneath it here. As you can see, it's like 9 feet tall and 9 feet wide. It's got 3 flowers. It's got the Iconic skull logo laser etched into the one flower. And then everything is all in 316 mirror polished stainless steel. We've used candy paints and metallics to create the butterfly and the hummingbird.
And don't forget our little...
And we've got a little ladybug up inside there. And in the back of the shop, we'll get there, but way at the back of the shop, we just had a rotisserie made. So it's a powered rotisserie for the base, and the flower will go on the rotisserie, and there'll be some lighting, and the flower, the whole thing will turn slowly inside his gallery, and it should look really amazing. I'm really excited about that. As you can see, I'm tripping over tree branches. So we have 30 hand fabricated stainless steel tree branches. Michelle did all the bead rolling and clean up on the leaves, and Josh is laid off right now, but Josh did a great job building and bending and fitting and welding all of the branches together. So one of the tasks Michelle and I just finished is we cleaned up all the branches. So we've cleaned up all the welds, and we've cleaned up all the black on the branches, and then we've added some tabs. So these little tabs that are on the branches are designed to clock each branch when it gets mounted to the tree. You can see the tree is all taken apart, and Michelle and I have been basically barking the tree. So covering the tree in stainless. We shaped it all, wireframed the tree, shaped all the branches, and now we're just putting bark on it. So that's been a massive job. We have a year's worth of work into this tree. The tree, as you can see by the one hummingbird, we're actually going to have more butterflies and hummingbirds up in the tree, and this tree is going to the Mount Sinai Medical Center. Coming up, guys, is Baileigh. So Baileigh Industrial is going to be at our shop here November 6th, November 7th, and November 8th. It's right at SEMA, or just before SEMA, and we are going to do a metal shaping class in our studio. So thank you, Baileigh, for choosing us to do your metal shaping class. The fees are $1,500 for a class. It's the whole weekend. Food is supplied, hotel discounts are supplied, and you have some of the most creative and the best metal fabricators in the industry here, all in-house, teaching you how to use power hammers, how to use English wheels, how to use even a wood stump and a buck and a hammer. Like they're going to teach you the basics right through to really masterful complicated fabrications. One of the other things that we're doing with the tree is this is going to be a wall. So it has a circular wall, and the wall will be cut with perforations in the material of the wall, and the lighting will come from inside the wall. So it should look really cool. The whole wall will light up from inside and make a nice glow and a lighting effect on the tree. And we're just dealing with engineers and everybody right now on the other end. They're getting the foundations ready for these projects. These projects are going outside. They all had to be engineered for high wind capacity. They get 150-mile-an-hour winds down there with hurricane season and stuff like that. So there's been a lot involved, and this tree is like super heavy duty. The sign in the background that you can see with the eagle, that's all built super heavy duty. A lot of people have asked, why are you using such heavy material? Well, the heavy material is actually because of extreme wind load. When you have a 23-foot eagle on top of a sign that, you know, it'll be 18 feet in the air to its wingtips. We just found out that the original foundation they poured, which is not small, it's a 12-foot by 7-foot foundation that's 16 inches deep, doesn't meet the requirements of the wind load, and they're actually going to tear up the foundation and make a bigger one. I was just on the phone with them, which is insane. That's a huge cost, and now they're going to have to just jackhammer it all up and make a bigger foundation. So unfortunately, that's the way things go, and we're just trying to get this work done and get it down there. What else have we got on the go? So it's been pretty crazy here. Michelle and I have wireframed up and papered the head of the dragon, and if you don't know, I'm telling you now, we're building a 70-foot fire-breathing dragon. So this will be the largest sculpture I've personally ever created. It's a massive undertaking. So this is a winged dragon that will be going up to the Dells in Wisconsin. It's a themed hotel called the Shire, and the whole neck and head will be removable, and the tail will be removable for shipping. Inside the dragon will be a propane fire system to shoot fire. We've built a hatch on a hinge here that's getting fabricated, and that hatch opens and closes, and you'll be able to, I'll actually put shocks on it and stairs, and you'll be able to open the hatch, have a staircase, climb into the dragon to, whatever you need to do. There'll be a light in there. It'll be all maintenance friendly, so you'll be able to go there, do the maintenance on the fire system if anything fails or is needed. We're getting ready. We're getting close, as you can see by the wire framing on the leg. We're getting close to skinning the dragon, so we're going to start templating and skinning the dragon as soon as these projects go to Miami. Michelle and I are excited because we're going to drive to Miami and install all three of these sculptures to Miami, which is pretty cool.
Where we've never been is one place we have not been
We
yet.
have never been to the East Coast.
Oh no, we did FabTech, sorry.
Yeah, but oh, that's true. Yeah. So last year,
Orlando.
Dynabrade sponsored us, and we went to FabTech, and we were in the Dynabrade booth in Orlando. But we've never been to Miami. We've never driven there, and this time we're driving our truck, bringing all the tools that we need and require to do the installs. And we're excited because it's a little bit of downtime. We're going to probably spend 2 weeks going to Miami, coming back, and getting all these pieces installed. So this is the iconic eagle with the sign. It's all powder coated. And so the wings are laying on the ground. The only reason the wings are here on the ground is because we are getting ready to take them outside with a forklift. We want to wash them. They've been sitting in the shop for almost a year. They're dusty. We want to get them all washed down and do a final polish on the welds. And then we're going to reinstall them just to do one final fit, get some pictures, and also get them out of the way because we're so busy. And then this will be ready to wrap up and prepare for shipping. A little bit about the sign. This bullet and the target and the bullet, well, the bullet casing and then the bullet coming out of it at the other end, and then the target. This is all powder coated. This is all fabricated by hand. And then the letters have a stainless steel covering that was bonded to this. So each one of these coverings, that's a mirror polish finish on each letter, and we'll peel the plastic when we arrive on site. And of course, at the start of the video, you've seen all the black pieces. That covers the bottom and has a nice kind of almost like a stove's covering, like what are they called? A hood range. They kind of have that shape as a stove hood to cover the bottom, and that's done. And then on the ground over there is a new rotisserie that we just had done. So that came out of California. We ordered it to be a powered rotisserie for the flower.
From Carousel.
And Carousel USA created this for us. It's got a drive motor, it's got a key fob, and it's rated to hold over 1,000 pounds and rotate slowly on a carousel, so it should be really cool. This is unfinished, so this is how it came to me. Now I'm going to create a stainless steel skin and cover this in a stainless steel skin with a little bit of a lip coming down to hide that, so that'll be about 4 to 4.5 inches deep. And then I'm going to put some little tabs sticking out around it and put some little bullet lights that come out from the bottom and aim up at the flower as it rotates. And then we'll get the flower pre-mounted on here and have it ready to go, and then I can take it all apart again and get it ready for shipping. So that's yet another project that we're working on. And then what else? Oh, and then over here, you can see the drawing we have. Now this is about well, it's not little. So I'm gonna say it's probably a 12-foot owl that I sketched out on the floor. And then Michelle and I started the frame. So this is the frame for the new owl. And it'll probably have probably a 10 or 12 foot wingspan. Each wing will probably be about 6 feet. So yeah, I'll probably have a 12-foot wingspan, and we've wireframed it up, and then we're mocking up legs. So this would be one of the legs in here, and this would be another leg over here. And that would be kind of the shape of the upper legs, and then we'll build the lower legs and the claws, and then the face, of course, and all that. So this is one fun little project we started to work on. And the owner of the dragon came down from Wisconsin to visit us and check up on the dragon, and saw the owl project we were building, and he bought the owl. So we've already sold the owl, and we're not even really started working on it hardly yet. So
why don't you go over and show them the picture?
Oh yeah, so then Michelle will show you a picture of the owl. So we have some renderings that we've done on AI. Actually, Gemini created these for us, so Google Gemini is great. You can just kind of give Gemini what idea you have, and you can see the dragon on the right here too. So the dragon is kind of a rendering of how we plan to make the dragon for them and how it'll look when it's finished. It is huge, it's 70 feet. So, so that's what we've been working on. We've got some new tools in, and we're doing some demo videos on some tools, trying out some tools for Arc Captain and Yes Welder have sent us some products to do demonstrations on and talk about the tools. And yeah, we're just super busy. And in November, we're going to do the Baileigh metal shaping class. So we're really excited about that. We're having some really amazing people come in and teach. And we just found out today that the city of Nevada, Clark County, Henderson, and possibly, what was the other, Las Vegas, they're going to sponsor some students. So they are going to help promote the metal shaping class for us. They're going to sponsor some students and pay for their fees to come and do the class with us. So we're really excited about that, to have Las Vegas reach out to us and sponsor students, because Michelle and I are thrilled. Not just adult students, but younger students. We always try to promote metal trades to young people, because there's some amazing opportunities and amazing career paths that young people can have in the welding fabrication industry. And it can be, you know, from commercial, industrial fabrication and welding, all the way to artistic fabrication like what we do here. So we're excited about that, and we hope that you register and attend if you can, because it's going to be awesome. So that's it for today. That's pretty much our update for what's going on here, and we're going to try to do some more live videos and some more updates as we progress and start putting these together. I don't think we're going to have time for an open house. We were hoping to kind of get everything put together and have an open house for people to come and see our work before it leaves. But it's crunch time, and we're going to try if it's possible, but we'll let you know, and we'll do another update if that is possible and when that will happen. So have a great day. Don't forget to you know, like and follow and give us a share, and you know, it'd be great to help build this channel up. We haven't been posting enough lately, and we've just been busy, and we've done, you know, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, but we really haven't been focusing on our YouTube. So we apologize if you've been following or waiting for videos. We're going to try to start posting some more videos. So thanks, guys, and have a great week.